Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be looking at ordered lists. Now ordered lists in HTML are very different from unordered lists. So now let's change this UL tags to OL because those are the tags for unordered lists. Now when we refresh, you will see that the bullet points now have changed to numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, then in the nested list we have 1, 2. Now using unordered list, we can manipulate this list in many different ways. So the first one we can do is changing our starting number. So let's say we don't want our list to start from number 1 and want it to start from number 3. We can do that by going into the unordered list tag, then you leave a space and you type in start. Now things like this are called HTML attributes. So there are some specific things you can add to an element to change how it behaves. So we're going to add the start attribute and set it to 3. When we go back and refresh, you should see that your list will be starting from 3 and going 4, 5. Then as you can see, that doesn't affect this nested list because this nested list is a separate list on its own. Okay, so now let's remove the start attribute and put it back to normal. So now another thing we can do to this ordered list is to set it to reversed. So let's say we want it to start from 3 and go down to 2 then 1. You can do that by using the reversed attributes in the unordered list. So you do the same thing by leaving space, then set reversed. So when you go back and refresh, you should see that 3 is now the starting number, then 2, then 1. Okay, so another very useful thing you can do with ordered lists is to change the numbering type. Let's say you want these numbers now to be letters. You can do that by setting the type attributes. So and the type attribute, we have different options. So we have 1, that is numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4 by default. Then we have letters, either capital or small. Then we have the Roman numerals, either capital or small. So we'll check out the alphabets, capital. So now as you refresh, you can see we have A, B, C. Then if we copy this and just add more, we will see that it keeps going C, D, E, F, G. So let's check the small letters in this nested list and type set to small letter A. So when I refresh, you should see A, B in small. Then another type we have is the Roman numerals. So we have the capital and small. So first we'll be starting from the capital. As you can see, we have I, all the way down. Then in small letters. So that's a very useful feature of ordered lists. You can change the way the numbering works. And that will be all for today. In the next video, we are going to be looking at semantic HTML and different tags that we can use to really structure our web pages to industry standard. So see you in that video and bye for now.